Make a great choice today with the 2023 Kia Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, illuminated entry, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.